The car has been a staple of our lives for over a century, but now, it's undergoing a radical transformation. We're not just talking about faster engines or new cup holders. This is a complete rewrite of what a car is. The shift from gasoline to electric, from mechanical to software-driven, and from human drivers to autonomous intelligence is happening now. Concepts once reserved for sci-fi, self-driving cars, living room interiors, even flying vehicles, are becoming reality. This isn't just about new features, it's about redefining mobility itself. In this video, we'll explore how technology is reshaping the car for 2030 and beyond. From batteries to AI, from design to purpose, the future is closer than you think. Buckle up, let's dive in. The electric revolution is here and it's changing everything. The internal combustion engine is giving way to electric vehicles, quieter, cleaner and more efficient. Governments are pushing for zero-emission cars, but it's not just about regulations. EVs deliver instant torque, rapid acceleration, and require far less maintenance. No oil changes, no exhaust systems. Early concerns about range and charging are fading fast. Battery technology has leapt forward, with most EVs now offering over 300 miles per charge. Charging networks are expanding and fast chargers can top up your battery in minutes. The real breakthrough? Solid-state batteries. These promise even greater range, up to 700 miles, and ultra-fast charging, all while being safer and more energy-dense. Major automakers and startups are racing to bring solid-state batteries to market by 2030. This leap will power not just cars but trucks, planes, and the entire renewable energy grid. The electric car of 2030 will be quieter, quicker, cheaper to run, and finally free us from gasoline for good. The battery is the foundation for all the other innovations we'll see. The future of mobility is electric, and it's already accelerating. The transition is inevitable, and the benefits are undeniable. Soon the electric car won't just be an alternative, it'll be the obvious choice. The era of gasoline is ending. The next chapter is powered by electrons. The revolution is rolling out now, and it's just the beginning. Electric cars are just the start. The real leap is autonomy. Self-driving technology is moving from science fiction to reality, with AI learning to navigate our unpredictable world. Today's cars offer advanced driver assistance, but true autonomy, Level 4, is on the horizon. Level 4 vehicles can handle all driving within defined areas, letting you relax, work, or even nap. Achieving this requires a suite of sensors, cameras, radar, and LiDAR, all feeding data to a powerful onboard AI. This AI learns from millions of miles of driving, predicting and reacting to complex situations. Companies like Waymo and Cruise already operate autonomous taxis in select cities. By 2030, expect these services to expand, transforming urban mobility. Imagine cities where traffic flows smoothly, accidents are rare, and parking is automated. Smart infrastructure will connect with vehicles, optimizing routes and safety. The car becomes a node in an intelligent transportation grid. Autonomy isn't just about convenience. It's about safer, smarter, and more efficient travel. The future of driving is hands-free, stress-free, and powered by AI. The age of the autonomous car is nearly here. The impact on our cities and lives will be profound. The car is evolving into a true partner on the road. The journey is just beginning. Welcome to the era of the autonomous brain. The car of 2030 is more than a vehicle. It's a connected, data-rich device on wheels. 5G and vehicle to everything. V2X tech turn cars into smart, aware, and personalized spaces. With 5G, cars communicate in real time, sharing data about traffic, hazards, and road conditions. V2X lets vehicles talk to each other, to infrastructure, and even to pedestrians' smartphones. Your car will know about a sudden stop ahead before you do, and adjust instantly. Traffic lights, road sensors, and parking systems will all sync with your vehicle, making travel smoother and safer. Over-the-air updates will keep your car's software fresh, adding new features and improving performance. Personalization will be seamless. Your car will recognize you, adjust settings, and suggest destinations based on your habits. The cabin becomes an extension of your digital life, adapting to your preferences. Most importantly, connectivity means safety. Cars, infrastructure, and people working together can prevent accidents before they happen. The connected car is proactive, not just reactive. It's a shift from isolated machines to a cooperative network. The result? Fewer accidents, less congestion, and a more enjoyable ride. The car of 2030 is always online, always learning, and always looking out for you. The future of mobility is connected. Your car will be as smart as your phone and even more essential. The road ahead is digital. The journey is safer and smarter than ever. Welcome to the connected era. As cars go electric and autonomous, their interiors are being completely reimagined. Without bulky engines or transmissions, designers have a blank canvas. EV skateboard platforms mean flat floors and spacious cabins, even in compact cars. The focus shifts from driving to living. Cabins become lounges, offices, or entertainment spaces. Seats swivel, tables fold out, and screens stretch across minimalist dashboards. The steering wheel may even retract when the car drives itself. Sustainable materials, recycled plastics, plant-based textiles, replace traditional luxury. Exteriors are sleeker, with aerodynamic shapes and smart lighting that communicates with pedestrians. The car of 2030 is designed from the inside out, prioritizing comfort, flexibility, and sustainability. It's a space for relaxation, productivity, or play, whatever you need on the move. The human experience is at the center of every design choice. The car becomes a personalized sanctuary, not just a way to get from A to B. The future of car design is about freedom, of space, function, and expression. The journey is as important as the destination. Sustainability starts long before a car hits the road. It begins in the factory. By 2030, automakers are aiming for carbon-neutral production, powered by renewables like solar and wind. Advanced manufacturing methods like 3D printing and gigacasting reduce waste and energy use. Factories are smaller, smarter, and more efficient, building cars with fewer parts and less pollution. New biocomposite materials, strong, light, and biodegradable, replace traditional steel and carbon fiber. The circular economy is key. Cars are designed for easy disassembly and recycling at end of life. Battery recycling is a major focus, recovering valuable materials to make new batteries and reduce mining. The goal is a closed-loop system. Old cars become the raw material for new ones. The car of 2030 is sustainable from start to finish. Clean factories, smart processes, and green materials define the next era of manufacturing. Building a better car means building it better too. The future of mobility is responsible, efficient, and truly sustainable. The revolution starts at the factory floor. The future of mobility isn't just on the road, it's taking to the skies. Urban air mobility is turning the dream of flying cars into reality with electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, or eVTOLs. These aircraft are quiet, efficient, and can lift off from city rooftops or small vertiports. Powered by advanced batteries and multiple electric rotors, eVTOLs promise fast, congestion-free travel across cities. Air taxi services could whisk you from downtown to the airport in minutes, bypassing ground traffic entirely. Major aerospace companies and startups are racing to launch commercial eVTOL services by 2030. Challenges remain: regulation, air traffic management, and infrastructure, but progress is rapid. UAM will complement ground transport, creating seamless, multimodal journeys. Imagine booking a self-driving car to a vertiport, flying across town, and finishing your trip in another autonomous vehicle. The future of mobility is integrated, flexible, and three-dimensional. The sky is no longer the limit. The next leap in transportation is looking up. The biggest shift may not be in the car itself, but in how we use it. By 2030, personal car ownership is giving way to mobility as a service, on-demand, subscription-based access to vehicles. Most cars sit idle 95% of the time, yet cost a fortune to own and maintain. Autonomous fleets will let you summon the perfect vehicle for any trip, without the burdens of ownership. Pay a flat monthly fee, and access everything from compact pods to SUVs, or even an eVTOL flight. No more parking, insurance, or repairs, just seamless mobility when you need it. Automakers are shifting from selling cars to providing mobility, with flexible subscriptions and shared fleets. Ownership won't disappear. Enthusiasts and rural drivers will still buy cars, but for city dwellers, access will trump ownership. The car becomes a utility, not a possession. The freedom of the future is freedom from the hassle of owning a car. Transportation becomes smarter, cheaper, and more convenient. The way we move is changing as much as the machines themselves. By 2030, millions will choose access over ownership. The ultimate luxury: mobility on your terms. The car of 2030 is more than a machine. It's a platform that connects, protects, and adapts to us. Electric power, AI, and constant connectivity are converging to create a new era of mobility. The future promises cleaner, smarter, and safer travel. Traffic jams and accidents could become relics of the past. The building blocks are here and the transformation is accelerating. What excites you most about the future of cars? Share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our world. The journey to 2030 has already begun.